Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to solve Amazon temporarily locked account issue. If your Amazon account has been temporarily locked, it usually unlocks automatically within 24 to 48 hours. First, try logging out and logging back in after some time to see if access is restored. If you still can't access your account, go to Amazon support. Scroll down to managing your account, where you can find options like account closure, login help, or managing personal information. In the search bar, type temporarily locked account to find specific help articles. Amazon typically sends an email or text notification explaining why your account was locked. Check your inbox or messages for an account on hold email. Follow the link in that message, sign in, and complete the verification form, including any requested documents for identity or security verification. Once the verification is complete, Amazon will review your information and restore access to your account. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.